Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did my beautiful guys, how I did my small to medium, I guess, or medium box braids. I absolutely love them. Like, this color is just wow. Like, honestly, the first and last video that I posted was black hair, and I had to cut my hair because of a lot of damage. And you know, box braids really does help your hair grow. So it's not a myth. Like, on God, it really does help your hair grow. So I wanted to show you guys my method for box braids. So if you got red hair, or if you got black hair, you got orange or purple or green or whatever, stay tuned and see how I did my box braids. I love them. Okay. Let's get into the video. This is freshly washed hair. I already put in my leave-in conditioner and my moisturizer. I'm gonna actually blow dry my hair this time when doing the box braids. I've done box braids before, and I've never blew dried my hair. Like, I never did that. But this time I'm gonna do it because I used as you can see, I dyed my hair red, and I used the box dye, and the box dye bleeds a lot. So and it like stains my nails and stuff, and I constantly have to clean them off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair, because at least it won't bleed when it's like blow dried, I guess. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and yeah. Okay guys, so now that I'm done blow drying, I just sectioned my hair off into 4 sections because it's just easier to manage that way when you're doing braids. Really quick, I'm gonna show you guys the hair I got. Actually, I'll be right back. Okay, so the hair I got it from Amazon. It's called My Chance in Hair. But all of the, like, when you do descriptions on Amazon, the hair that I usually get, it says Canacolin or something like that. That's usually the choices I go for because it's more of a softer hair. You can like put your hair up in a bun. It doesn't like irritate me, so I like that texture. But yeah, it's a 5-pack, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, a 4-pack, and it comes in this, and then they come individually packed as well. So I'm just gonna open it real quick for you. So it comes packed like this. This is the hair. Comes like this. Okay, so it's like this. Obviously, I'm just gonna take it out real quick. Comes with it's very soft. I know some people like they wash their braiding hair with shampoo and conditioner before they use it. I have personally never tried that method. I just don't want to because I don't want to lose a pack of hair because I don't know how to detangle or it gets too clumpy or whatever. But anyways, yeah, it's like this. Obviously I have to, you know, what's the word again? What's the word I'm looking for? What's the word? You know what I'm talking about. If you know hair, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I'm just gonna take this rubber band off that's like holding it together. And what is it called? Feather. I'm gonna feather the ends. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. Whatever. I think that's good enough for me personally. And then what I do is, because you know braiding hair gets tangled, especially when you braid it, you actually get the braiding process started. So what I do is the pieces that are like this, that are kind of like falling off, I'll just take a scissors, get up there for you, and cut it off. It doesn't look choppy. I know people are probably gonna be like, it's looking look choppy, but no, it doesn't anymore. And braiding hair is so messy, like the braiding hair sheds so much. So I'm gonna separate them into some small sections, just like so. About this big, maybe a little smaller. I'm gonna go with this big. I'm gonna do my sections this big. So I think they're medium to small. I'm gonna go ahead and section these off and I will be right back. Okay, so out of that pack of hair, I was able to get 11 pieces of hair out, which means that's 11 braids. So yeah. So I'm gonna braid some of my hair and come back. I used to start from the back and make my way forward, but I be getting lazy when I get to the front, and I want the front to be neater, obviously, because everybody sees the front. So I'm actually gonna start with this section of my hair and make my way to the back, and I'll be back once I've done a couple sections, a couple braids, just to show you guys how I do the braid. Okay guys, so it looks like I'm pretty much done, but I'm not. I haven't done the back yet, but it's been about 2.5 hours since I started. I had to cut my nails down because it took me 30 minutes to do these two braids, and they came out trash because of my nails, and I was just like, yeah, no, I'm gonna cut them down. They're still cute, but I had to cut them down because no. Anyways, I just want to show you guys at the front how I do my braids. So I'm gonna do it without a rubber band, obviously. So when I part my hair, I part it so that it's in between the braids. That way it looks fuller. I'm gonna go ahead and put gel on the roots. I use Eco Styler gel. Honestly, this works better for me. Last time I did box braids, I did the Gorilla snot, and it just wasn't working out for me. I didn't like it at all. I've always used Eco Styler though, and it always does the trick for me. You could also use edge control on your roots, but I prefer not to. I just feel like it gets to the product gets kind of like a lot of buildup, and I don't like that. I use edge control on the front braids though. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead with the Eco Styler just around my hair. I'm gonna show you guys. Just like a good amount, you know. And then I actually do have the edge control. So it's this one, the Blueberry Bliss, can't say that 5 times. Blueberry Bliss curl control paste, which is edge control, you know. I love this one. Oh, it smells so good. They have a pomegranate one too, but passion fruit, but I love this one. Like, I feel like I could eat it. Anyways, I'm just gonna use my edge brush, get some product out, not a lot, literally just a little bit, and I'm gonna put it on my hair, kind of swoop it in. I kind of comb out some baby hairs and swoop that in. I'll just go around my hair. Show you guys how I put the braid in. So it should look like this. So I have my section here. I'm gonna divide it into two. This section being a little smaller, the one that I took apart. And I'm gonna cross it over. So now I have 3 sections, like so. The one that you put into goes like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just put the middle part on top of my actual hair and begin to braid. Now you want to make sure you hold on really tight to your actual hair, just because it is without the rubber band. So you want to make sure it's not loose, it's not falling out. I'm gonna add some gel to my hair, which is just a little bit right here. Just a little bit, kind of get it to blend in. And then I'm just gonna make sure it's really secured and tucked in. And then I'm just gonna braid like I normally would braid. I'm the youngest in charge, I'm a GOAT. Put this quote to his dome, he froze. Niggas hate, but they keeping it low. I'm a flex and he snatching your soul. See a IP ain't making it home. The Avengers, we pop out and blow. Yeah, they call me a menace. Trap hard back up and we love for the trenches. See a IP, we dead him. I ain't saying no names, I don't care about the sentence. Fuck his reason for stressing. If he fucking with options, shots no question. Before they teach him a lesson. But I up and I blessed that boy to heaven. Wait, I gotta keep me a Nina. See a up in the film, no squeezing. And I cannot fuck with you skeezers. Yeah, I came here Glock and it's beaming. 2 thoughts in the back of the beamer. Suck me up as he swallow the semen. Favorite pass gotta keep me a heater. Yeah, we serving the cuts, they fiending. So we serving the cuts, they fiending. Done. You can leave out some because once you dip it in water, it'll seal, and then after you dip it in hot water, you can trim and all that good stuff. Yeah, this is what my braids look like so far. They're like to my belly button, I guess. I'm gonna finish up the rest and I will be back to show you. Bro, so I was trying, but basically I was saying next morning, look at my hair, whatever, and I just want to let y'all know that I sealed the ends in hot water. Obviously you cannot seal it in cold water, it's not gonna seal. You gotta use hot water, sweetheart. Anyways, just the hot water. And I trim the ends with the loose ends. Like, you trim it after the hot water, never before, because your hair will unravel. And just like I'm chatting in the video, I'm chatting on here. Anyways, I used the Aunt Jackie's hair mousse. Oh my god, Rona. Anti-frizz mousse or whatever, to put all over my head, all the way down to the ends of my hair. I don't just put it on the roots, I put it all the way down to the ends to seal the entire hairstyle. And then I go to sleep with, you know, silk, you know, whatever, not, you know, friction, whatever. So use a silk covered bonnet, head wrap, whatever. I was saying how I got my nails done, I got my braces off, all of that happened in that day. So that's that. That's the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it or whatever. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff.